Damn children in this town.
Hey, Vic. Like the new threads?
Terrifying. I need to use the phone.
Yeah.
Thanks for the coke, Martinez. Now you know how it feels to get fucked.
Oh, you fucked us both, Vic. That coke you ripped off belonged to the Mendez brothers. I was just the shepherd. Now, we're all on their shit list, and the only way off is in a fucking bag. I'm turning states. I'm gonna ruin you, your brother, Mendez, everyone. Happy holidays.
Lance! You useless, degenerate asshole!
We don't have to worry about a thing. Once we sell the coke, we can pay off the feds and handle anything the Mendez brothers throw at us. Listen! I got a buyer. Let's go see him. My man is filming some Z-list movie over at the mall. They only let him shoot at night, so we better get over there pronto.
Will bypass the state without incident. All bridges to Ocean Beach and Vice Point have now been reopened, and flights to and from Escobar International Airport have recommenced. VNN, where good news is no news.
To fill your ears full of crybaby music and shit! You can't silence Hector! Nunca! Not even with the more...
when I say something. And then a clown comes. Are shutting down. Youths wearing leather moccasins, piercing their ears.
Hey, Spitz! You looking for inspiration? I got all you need.
All I need, huh? A stuntman's what I need. We've got to wrap this scene before the mall opens.
Vic can handle your stunts. Meanwhile, you and I can talk snow business. And action.
Wanna pray? Mad you
think I dropped a little sex fight, huh? Come on, asshole!
This shit is over.
You want a piece of me?
No one's gonna miss you. Yep, I'm gonna shoot you. Yeah, be scared. Who's the boss now? Yes, it's that time. Yeah, you understand now, huh?
That's a wrap!
Have a nice death.
And action! Zombies look more dead! Knock him on his ass!
This again? Even more hurting already?
That's a wrap!
I am my brother's keeper. We got the deal. We're made for life. Let's go pick up the yayo.
Mom!
Mom! Hey, we're rich! Where is she?
Never mind, man. Just get the yayo.
Yeah, it's in the spare room. Oh, shit!
What?
is gone.
What?
And Mom's stuff is gone too.
Oh, Mom! Lance!
Ain't that a bitch? I can't believe she took our coke.
Yeah. So what do we do now, moron?
Wait. Let me think. I know we can make it right. We'll just, we'll explain things to the Mendez brothers, you know.
Oh, yeah. I'm sure in between chopping us up and feeding us to their dogs, they'll be very understanding. Lance, if we get out of this, I'm gonna kill you! Asshole!
Aye.
Pain, tears, and heartache. We see our love can't last. It's true. Even though our love is through, should have been you.
City Screen Profile steps up a notch as Interglobal Film Studios begin shooting a series of action-packed commercials on our streets over the next few weeks. The studio, about to wrap filming on their zombie movie epic, Mall Munchers, has apologized for disturbances to the normal flow of city life caused by their work. DNN. Switch off before you switch on.
I've been searching such a long time. True love so hard to find. I've been searching such a long time. True love so hard to find. Been searching such a long time. True love so hard to find. I've been searching such a long time. True love so hard to find.
What do you think, eh? It is genius, no? Genius! Frankie!
Genius, Rennie.
Genius, darling. It is the story of the age. Success and failure. Man, woman, and me, I smash them together. Art and advertising. Future and past. Man and woman. Frankie, who is this gorgeous man?
I don't know. Who are you?
I'm looking for someone called Rennie.
Ta-da!
Yeah, Spitz said you might want something.
Something? Ah, cocaine! Darling, I want cocaine. Mommy wants some snort and she wants it now. You must be the cocaine man. Frankie, the cocaine man is here.
Hey, you think you can say it any louder? I don't think they heard you in Cuba.
Oh, you fucking square. It's only a bit of snow. It's 1984, darling. Everyone is on cocaine.
Whatever you say, mister. Lady.
Oh, darling, I'm a little bit of everything. I'm universal. Rainy Wasselmeyer. But you, Angel, you're unique. Can I film you undressing?
Oh, Rennie, we've got a problem.
Not now, darling. I'm flirting. I'm dreaming.
Rennie.
Chateau on the Loire.
But Rennie.
Two lovers entwined.
Rennie, the stunt guy just quit. He said he didn't like you touching his ass.
Hey, what? Oh, that was just fun. This is real passion. Darling, please, save me.
Hey, get off!
Then save me.
Wait. What do you need?
Just a driver.
Okay, fine. Just get off. Hey, get off.
So you don't need any product?
I need metaphor for the calamities of life, darling. Drive well, and I'll find you more buyers than you can use, with more users than you could buy. Remember, Angel, this commercial needs action, action, action. Okay, action.
Dedicate a Commodore song to my wife. Night shit.
Why is that?
You know, times are tough. These Reaganomics are bullshit. So she's doing some entertaining, usually in stiletto heels. She looks really classy.
That is love, baby. That's what we do here on the VCFL. Make dreams come true.
beautiful.